are starting outside today. I'm gonna do some grounding. It looks absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna do like some fun those spell potions. I'm gonna like make coffee, have breakfast, journal, tarot read, all of that. Oh my gosh, I can just like live in nature forever. Have you seen Drew Barrymore? Drew Barrymore when she's like, when was the last time you played in the rain? Let's make this coffee, bagels. Let's go inside. It's just so good. You have to watch it if you haven't seen it. I think it's my favorite one so far. The season was good, but this one's deep. That I am doing self-love, like a self-love, what's it called, like a rewind. Okay, I'm letting my jar dry, just cleanse today. I also just had some mugwort. I love to do mugwort with these things. I'm gonna do a blend for the mornings, which like it's a self-love blend. So I'm excited to wake up every morning, light it up. I'm gonna be doing it exactly how it's in the book. I'm only gonna change one thing. I'm only gonna add like an essential oil, but I want to try it out just how it is in the book. Just bring me self-love, self-compassion. That smells so good. That smells so good. I made a really small batch because I want to test it out first, and if I like it, it's very simple, so I can like do more. Reading back journal entries is so like tea sometimes. I have a little something, a little get together with someone today, and later after I'm done playing with Milo, I'm gonna take a shower and we're gonna get ready, and I'm gonna take some aphrodisiac like chocolates. Good morning, rise and shine. It is the next day. I'm drinking green tea. I'm excited because girl, I couldn't record yesterday the makeup that I told you I was gonna do because plans didn't fall through. And now I'm gonna make breakfast. I'm gonna make just eggs. And then I'm gonna put cilantro on it. And then like apple sausage. And I'm gonna put a couple herbs in there with my intention. So. But makeup. I am outside now. It looks beautiful. Let me show you. Oh my gosh. It just looks, it looks fake. I'm like playing with Milo, but I do have to go do a shift today, which I am dreading. I'm not excited, but we already know that. I've been posting a lot on my Instagram, so I'm so proud of myself because it's kind of hard for me to do that. I'm out of breath because I've been running. I kept trying to put more things, but it wasn't just working out. But I'm gonna conclude the vlog here. I hope that you love this vlog, and I will see you on my next video.